Hi guys, welcome back to Lavina Ashish Vlogs, and today we are finally sharing our complete Thailand itinerary with you guys.
That's right, and from Mumbai to 4 different destinations in Thailand, each one step by step, and of course, how much money did we spend?
And if you are planning your Thailand trip anytime soon or in few couple of months or years or whenever, आपको ये वीडियो जरूर एंड तक देखना चाहिए. This is going to save you a lot of money. इस वीडियो के जरिए आपको डेफिनेटली सारी चीजों की डिटेल्स मिलेगी, जैसे कि फ्लाइट्स, स्टेज, डोमेस्टिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन, वीजा प्रोसेस,
And of course, food, SIM cards, money exchange, very important, shopping, which we all love, and all about the entire budget breakup that you require to know and how we covered every single thing.
and of course all the attractions that we did on our trip, which you also can easily just follow and enjoy your Thailand trip.
So guys, Thailand हमारा था totally 10 days का trip, and in these 10 days we visited 4 different cities in Thailand.
The best season for you to visit is of course November to February, क्योंकि वहाँ पे तभी बिल्कुल भी गर्मी नहीं होती है. It's a cool season and it's a peak season. But if you don't want कि आप एकदम peak season में जाओ, बहुत crowd हो, you're not able to enjoy, you can go as per our recommendation जो हम गए थे, which was in the month of March, which was summer season, but it was not uncomfortable. And of course rains में तो it doesn't make any sense for you to go. So summer season for us is the best because then you get to enjoy your beaches, you can have a great time. Rains में of course there's a high tide and all of that, so you will not be getting to go inside the beach and swim. So the best season to visit is summer and of course winter, so you can plan your itinerary accordingly.
And our main purpose to visit Thailand was to explore different places. So अगर आपको भी exploration पसंद है, you want to not waste time in random places but go visit only sensible places, then this itinerary is perfect for you. So definitely follow, watch the video till the end so that you can note down all the details, and if you want any help, of course you can comment below.
So let's begin this video with talking about visa process. Now Thailand is visa on arrival and it is super smooth, super easy. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है, बस एक TDAC form होता है. You need to fill that 72 hours before you're traveling on to your flight, right? So आपकी जो भी flight details है, hotel details है, आपको वो सारी details आपको वो पूरे form में fill करनी होगी. You can do it online. It's free of cost. What we will do is we'll drop the link down in our description, so it's very easy for you to just click on the link and fill it. But don't forget this also, just in case आपने ये नहीं fill किया 72 hours before, कोई worry करने की बात नहीं है. आप वहां पे जाके fill कर सकते हो, but it's just time consuming. It's better आप पहले से करके जाओ, and it's free, visa free है, so it's pretty sorted.
And of course, the most important thing, which is money. So you need to carry enough money according to your travel, according to what you are going to expend there, whether it is shopping or attractions. So there are two things. Number one is that you take some exchange in baht from India and some in dollars. That is number one. And two is you can of course go there and जो भी आप dollars carry करोगे, there are many money exchange booths. आपको research करना है अच्छे से कहाँ पे आपको best rates मिल रहे हैं, and of course the dollar rate goes up and down. So do note that हर दिन same नहीं होता. तो you can see आपके जितने भी दिन का ट्रिप है, जहाँ पे भी, चाहे वो फुकेट हो, क्राबी हो, चांगमाई हो, बैंकॉक हो, या कोई भी अगर डिफरेंट सिटी अगर आप जा रहे हो, so you get wherever you get the best rates at your time, in your time, you can figure it out and you can exchange the money and convert it into baht and utilize there. वहाँ पे majorly लोग cash लेते हैं. So as of now, that is the scene. If you're watching in the future, maybe changes हुए होंगे, but yeah, that is what it is. Secondly, don't do any kind of exchange at the airport in Thailand because you're not going to get the best rates for sure. And जो भी आप SIM card लोगे, that you can get it from any of the 7-Eleven or any of the local vendors there. You can figure out where you're getting the best one. And वो लेके आप वहाँ पे अपने फोन में डाल सकते हैं.
So our personal experience with the SIM card was we took it from 7-Eleven and that was called as a tourist SIM card, जो आपको 14 days validity का मिलता है, because we were traveling for 10 days, 10-11 days, तो हमने 14 days की validity ली थी. You can get it for 7 days and 8 days as well. It's pretty economical and amazing network. आपको हर जगह पे superb Wi-Fi मिलेगा, which is very important because you are going to use GPS, you are going to use local apps over there, जिसके लिए आपको इंटरनेट का सहारा बहुत जरूरी है. So we were a couple, so हमने एक ही SIM card लिया and we used to share our hotspots. If you want, you can take 2 SIM cards as well. It's pretty simple and easy. So वहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे networks मिलेंगे, but what we got was TrueMove. I think it's called as a True SIM. So it was pretty simple. वो आपको help भी कर देते हैं to put the SIM card in your phone. So you can just easily go ahead and buy this SIM card from any 7-Eleven. Now let's talk about the
different apps that you need on your phone before you go there. So the number one app which we used is the Grab app, because that is very useful for local transport. In case if you don't have like a driving license, like I did not have a driving license. So that also, in case if you do have a valid driving license, whether it is car or whether it is two-wheeler, you need to have an additional IDP along with it, which is International Driving Permit, right? So that permit is not your driving license. It is just a permit कि आप international cities में भी गाड़ी या bike चला सकते हैं, right? So you can rent out a car or a bike there and you can drive. The IDP can be made from any of the local RTOs. बहुत सारे online platforms भी है. They claim that it is valid, but I'm not sure. We have not used that, so we don't have our personal experience with it. But I'm sure that जो local RTO से आप बनाओगे, that is more cheaper, like almost 5 times lesser. Like अगर वहाँ पे आपको 5-6 हज़ार रुपए चार्ज करे तो this will just charge 1,000 rupees. थोड़ा different process है, online and offline का mix. So you can figure that and you can have that ready so that जब वहाँ पे आप जा रहे हो तो you can either rent out a bike or a car and you can use it. So Grab is the first app. Similar to Grab, there is also
Bolt. So very simple and easy. दोनों में आप अपने rates हमेशा compare करो. In case you are traveling on a budget also, because कभी-कभी कुछ भी rates दिखाते हैं, absurd rate दिखाते हैं. So you just compare these two apps and then book your particular ride. Also in Grab, if you're staying in an Airbnb, if you're going for like a 1-month Thailand tour and all of that, आप easily food भी order कर सकते हो. There is delivery app, regular groceries and all of those things. So Grab and Bolt is like amazing apps. You can definitely go for it, and this is very, very, very helpful. Of course, you need to have Google Maps in your particular phone. I'm sure everyone uses that. तो वो एक third app है जो आपको लेके ही जाना है अपने phone में.
And of course, there is another app called as 12-1 Go. So अगर आप कोई भी local cities में travel करें, जैसे हमने Phuket to Krabi bus book की थी, which was through this app. It is super simple and zero hassle. Just pay on the app itself. Your ticket gets confirmed like this, and you just immediately go. Like you can then next go to the bus depot, or if you're booking a ferry, then you can go to the ferry depot and you can just travel. It's that simple.
So let's begin with talking about flights. So हमने round trip book की थी, of course, from Mumbai. So we went from Mumbai to Phuket सबसे पहले. So we got a great deal, and you have to book all the flights from before, obviously, if you want a great deal. We booked from 8 trip and we got it for 16,000 approximately. So we took Thai Weird Jet and हमने रात की flight ली थी. So we landed in the morning, early morning over there to Phuket. Now इससे आपका क्या फ़ायदा होता है? Firstly, आपको full day आपको मिलेगा to explore the city, do whatever you want, if you even want to rest. And secondly, आपका जो immigration process है, visa process है, जो भी है, आपको बहुत quickly हो जाएगा and you do not have to wait. I saw thousands of reels where 2 hours, 3 hours का line था जहाँ पे लोगों को खड़े रहना था and they had to like vigorously wait for their turn to come for the immigration process. But we, touch wood, literally got done in just 5 minutes. It was that smooth. So that was our first flight. Now from Phuket to Krabi, you have two options. One is to go via ferry, which is a little time consuming, and second is to go via bus or road or taxi, जो आपकी मर्जी है. So the private taxis are a little bit expensive. It will cost you around 8,000 to 9,000 Indian rupees. And if you go by bus, which is of course going to be a shared bus, which is a local bus, but it is AC and it is comfortable with recliner seats. So we booked that, as Ashish had mentioned in the previous section, with 12 Go, right? 12-1 Go से हमने book की थी. We booked like 1 day before only and आपको tickets मिल जाती है. So it's not a big deal. And आप वहाँ bus station में जाके भी इसको book कर सकते हो. So we got this for 2,400 for both of us, and it was around 3.5 hours. It was perfectly on time, and the route is very scenic, very beautiful. Sit on the left side, you will have the better view. But because both seats 2 and 1 thing to sit on the right side, but it was an amazing experience for us.
So from Krabi, we had a flight to Chiang Mai, so which was approximately 14 years for the both of us. So we booked Thai Air Asia, and from Chiang Mai again we booked a flight to Bangkok, which was again Thai Jet. So that was again another 14 tick. Last flight that we took was from Bangkok to Mumbai, of course, which costed us around 24K. All of this that we shared is because we booked it way in advance, and of course, we got ratings. So you have to really research from before. Keep saying what is the rate exactly for the flights. Plan your trip properly. If you're following our itinerary, वो तो आपके लिए easily बना ही हुआ है. You don't have to do anything. Just make all the notes that we are sharing and just go and enjoy. Next, let's move on to the most important thing, that is staying. हम कहाँ रुके थे? And first we traveled to Phuket. So in Phuket we booked this hotel called as Ramada, which is Ramada Divana. There are different branches of Ramada and Divana hotels as well, but we did Ramada Divana, which is very close to the Patong beach, also close to Banga Street, which is very famous for all your party drinks. So you can definitely consider booking this hotel. We both personally would definitely recommend it because the staff was also very good. The experience was good. There was breakfast with included with our booking, and we spent around 27K for 3 different nights. So you can definitely consider this. From here, we went to directly Krabi. In Krabi, we booked Avasi Resort, which was very okayish. I believe we had a sleepless night also there. So, in case if you are still considering to book Avasi, the only positive point is that it is closer to the beach. जहाँ से आपको it is walking distance. So जहाँ से आपको और भी different जगह भी जा सकते हो. So and market of course. So अगर आप आवासी still consider कर रहे हो तो just request them not to give you the roadside वाला room because वहाँ से बहुत noise आती है which we unfortunately face. So at Avasi we spent around 16K for 2 nights, which I mean was too much, which we don't really recommend. So from there
we went to Chiang Mai, and यहाँ पे Airbnb culture बहुत है. So we were like, we have to do Airbnbs because we are very comfortable in that, and you can just feel like home away from home, right? So हमने वहाँ पे book किया था, and the best part was we had a coupon of almost 6,000 rupees. So that's why मुझे almost पूरे booking में 6,000 का discount मिला. So the actual price of the booking was approximately 15,000. But I had the coupon, so we paid only some 9,000 something, right? So we stayed here for 3 different nights, and the Airbnb was amazing. It was 1 room, and of course, the hall and kitchen was attached to it. So there was all amenities intact, and I'll put the link of this Airbnb as well below. And this was in the most famous building of the entire Chiang Mai. It's actually a tourist spot because it has infinity pool, which we also explored, and हमने भी उसमें काफी enjoy किया, and it was just amazing. It has gym, all the amenities basically. आपको जो चाहिए आपको इस building में मिल जाएगी. It's called the Astra Sky, and Astra Sky, and everyone in Chiang Mai knows this building bang on. And the best part, just आपकी building के सामने was the 7-Eleven, and all the cabs and everything was quite accessible. So that was Chiang Mai. Then we moved to Bangkok. Now in Bangkok, ये हमें पता नहीं था hotel कहाँ है when we were booking, but we were so surprised and we were so happy to know that it was just right next to the Platinum Mall, which is a shopping hub. It is a crazy place for you to go and shop, which we will talk more about in the later part of the video. So it was right in front of Pratunam Market, and very near Platinum Mall, almost walking distance. Now this hotel had a lot of amenities which was free. So there was buggy, there was free popcorn, there was free apple juice, there was free head and shoulder massage, but on certain days. And of course you can do your Thai traditional photo shoot as well inside the hotel. And of course, we being influencers, we also got a little bit of discount over there. And after discount, the fee was 4,200 baht, which is approximately 12,300 rupees ke aspas for 2 different nights, which was superb. This hotel was superb. So except Krabi, all the 3 you can just blindfold yourself and just book it on our recommendation. Avasi ke liye and Krabi hotels ke liye, up to you guys. Rather research more and all better jagah pe aap to it.
Yes, and also guys do note that जहाँ पे भी आप breakfast के साथ ले रहे हो, the breakfast is majorly like, since we eat mostly veg, so हमारे लिए it was very okay breakfast everywhere. Ramada was good. Wings did not have that great breakfast. पूरा नॉनवेज ऑप्शन ज़्यादा था उसके
So
बाद.
we didn't eat also there.
Yeah.
And majorly our breakfast में हम breads ही खा पाओगे और कुछ या desserts. And absolutely weird for us to eat desserts in the morning as Indians. But ठीक है, like अगर आप Indian हो and अगर आप vegetarian food खाते हो, Thailand does have a lot of veg options. But usually आपको वहाँ पे non-veg ही मिलेगा.
ज़्यादा.
Take care of. अब हम बात करने वाले हैं हमारे 10 डेज थाईलैंड आइटिनरी की इन डिटेल. सो चलो शुरुआत करते हैं फुकेट से. सो जैसे ही हमने लैंड किया, सबसे पहले वी गॉट एन अर्ली चेक इन विच वॉज अमेजिंग. तो हमें अर्ली चेक इन मिल गया. उसके बाद वी एक्सप्लोर्ड द बिग बुद्धा विच वॉज शट फॉर ऑलमोस्ट अ ईयर और मोर. सो आप जब यहाँ जा रहे हो, सो यू वुड हैव टू रिसर्च कि ये खुला है कि नहीं, बिकॉज इसका हमेशा रेनोवेशन चालू रहता है. So we went to the Big Buddha, which was amazing. 100% you should visit this place. And इसके बाद हमने दूसरा टेम्पल एक्सप्लोर किया, which is called as Waterchalon. ये सारी चीज़ें हमने ग्रैब के थ्रू भी ट्रैवल की है, because it was summers also. So हमने टैक्सी एयर कंडीशन टैक्सी में ट्रैवल किया हर जगह, right? And the third and the final part for today, which was the day one in Phuket, was the old Phuket town, which was the highlight of that particular day, because ये इतना vibrant place है, but अराउंड 7:38 या 8:30 ये पूरा डार्क हो जाता है. लाइक इट शट्स लाइक क्रेजी. सो आपको लाइक यू शुड आइडली विजिट अराउंड 4:35 सो यू कैन एंजॉय द सनसेट वाला वाइब एंड थोड़ा सा इवनिंग की लाइटिंग वाइब्स, राइट? सो यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट food to try, spas to go, explore the lanes and everything. It is so picturesque. बहुत ही मतलब it was amazing. बहुत मज़ा आया हम दोनों को वहाँ पे. सो दैट वॉज द एंड ऑफ डे वन विच वॉज इट ओल्ड फुकेट टाउन. एंड देन वी हैड आवर इंडियन फूड, बिकॉज हमें फर्स्ट डे ही क्रेव हो रहा था कि हमें इंडियन खाना खाना है. तो हमने अमृतसर करके एक रेस्टोरेंट है जिसके बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस अक्रॉस थाईलैंड है. सो हमने वहाँ पे हमारा इंडियन फूड खाया एंड देन वी हेड बैक टू आवर होटल.
Superb. So then we did day 2, जो था beach day, because we both love water. तो हम decide किया कि we go for Patong beach first, because वो सबसे पास था होटल के. It was just walking distance. We walked to the beach. वहाँ पे मैं थोड़ा बहुत chill किया. Then we hopped on to the Kata beach. So you can also go to Karong beach. Kata beach we went.
Yeah.
बहुत clean water था guys. You can definitely, like, we both would definitely recommend. वहाँ पे ये भी पानी में गई थी. For a change, she usually gets scared a little bit.
It was like a swimming pool.
Yeah, it was actually like a swimming pool because you could see the water clearly. So वहाँ पे हमने थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड किया. Then from there we went to Oasis Spa, जहाँ पे हमारा मस्त मसाज हुआ. We both definitely recommend, अगर आप वो वहाँ पे प्लीज़ जाओ, विजिट करो. उनके बहुत सारे ब्रांचेस हैं. So wherever you are staying in Phuket, in whichever part of Phuket, you can plan so that you don't have to travel too much, and you should definitely visit that spa. Amazing massage. After the massage, it was time to explore a little bit more. तो हम गए थे कमला बीच. थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लोर किया. वहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट्स काफ़ी फेमस है, बीच साइड रेस्टोरेंट्स. So you can see, research a little bit, and you can go there, chill, have a good time if you want to just chill. We did not decide to chill there. We thought that we will explore even more. So we thought, चलो बांग्ला स्ट्रीट जाते हैं, because that is of course famous. हर इंस्टाग्राम पे, हर यूट्यूब शॉर्ट्स में, सब जगह सबने इतना हाइप किया था उस जगह को. But हम, because we are not party animals, we don't drink, smoke, nothing, zero. And always भी हमने बहुत रेयरली खाया वहाँ पे. तो for us it was just like 4, 5 on 10, है ना?
Yeah.
So we just went through for one time experience. But अगर आपको पार्टी पसंद है,
You will love it. Like these guys, if you are party freaks, आएगा 100 on 10. But हमारी जैसे लोगों के लिए बांग्ला स्ट्रीट नहीं है. But अगर आप लोग को जाना है तो I mean you can spend your entire evening there. It's like a full party place, especially if you drink and chill, if you have a group of friends and all. So definitely, please जाओ for sure. Highly recommend.
इसके बाद that was our end of Phuket. Honestly, जब हम जा रहे थे तो कई लोगों ने बोला था कि Phuket is just 3 on 10.
Yeah.
कम है, ये है, वो है. We loved Phuket. Like,
It was almost 10 on 10.
10 on 10. Yeah, we enjoyed Phuket to the core, because वहाँ पे बीच भी था, हमारा मसाज भी हुआ, हमें इंडियन फूड भी मिला. We got to explore the place. They were very good, helpful people. And of course, we are not yet done. Before we complete the Phuket trip, we went to
We did island tour on day 3, जिसका हमने एक पूरा का पूरा डिटेल में ब्लॉग क्रिएट किया है.
तो उसको अगर आपको डिटेल में जानना है तो यू मस्ट सी आवर ब्लॉग, यू विल गेट A to Z डिटेल्स अबाउट इट। बट जस्ट टू गिव यू अ क्विक ब्रीफ, हमने ये हमारे होटल के नियर बहुत सारे बूथ्स होते हैं जहाँ पे बुकिंग्स होती रहती है या आइलैंड टूर्स की, एंड देयर आर लाइक मल्टीपल आइलैंड टूर्स। आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि आपको करना कौन सा है। सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, इफ यू आर द first timers in Thailand, go for the Phi Island tour. It is going to be amazing. बहुत सही था. It costed us around 8 to 9,000 rupees. However, हर एक travel agent के पास अलग आपको pricing मिलेगा. So you see which one you want to go for. And हम काफ़ी lucky थे क्योंकि हमारा जो boat था उसमें overcrowded लोग नहीं थे. We were just around 40 of us with a very big boat, and we were the only Indians over there, which was again a highlight because हमें तो बहुत मज़ा आया. We met some good friends as well, and we had a great time at this island tour. तो वो वीडियो को भी मैं लिंक डाल दूंगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में या तो आई बटन पे, वो आप जाके ज़रूर देखना. So that was Phuket for us. We had a lovely time. हाईली रिकमेंडेड. एंड अगर हमें मौका मिला हमें वापस जाने के लिए, अगर आप पूछोगे तो वी वुड डेफिनेटली गो टू फुकेट. तो हर सिटी जो हम जाने वाले हैं चारों, हम आपको बताएंगे कि हमें वो सिटी पे वापस जाना है या नहीं. सो फुकेट इज डेफिनेटली 100%. वी विल समडे और द अदर फॉर श्योर गो.
100%.
So let's get started with our second city of Thailand, which is Krabi. So इसके बारे में हमने actually opposite सुना था and Phuket के बारे में opposite. So Phuket सुना था कि इतना अच्छा नहीं है, Krabi बहुत अच्छा है. But हमारे हिसाब से Krabi was little blah on the first day especially because हम actually है कि हमें पसंद है कि हमें सिर्फ एक्सप्लोर ही करना है. हम ज़्यादा रिलैक्स चिल करने वाले लोग, मतलब वी आर, बट वी आर लाइक कि बीच पे बस 8 घंटा पड़े रहो. दैट इज़ नॉट व्हाट आवर वाइब इज ऑल अबाउट. सो बेसिकली इन Krabi यू हैव जस्ट लाइक वन होल लेन ऑफ लाइक अ किलोमीटर और 2, जो बस वही है Krabi आपके लिए एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, राइट. सो फर्स्ट डे तो काफ़ी ब्ला था, इतना मज़ा नहीं आया. बट यू कैन, इफ़ यू आर अ पर्सन हु वांट्स टू जस्ट चिल एंड रिलैक्स, यू बुक अ गुड प्रॉपर्टी एंड जस्ट रिलैक्स. सो हम गए थे आवनांग बीच के साइड, तो हमने थोड़ा बहुत वहाँ पे रिलैक्स किया, लोकल मार्केट घूमा एंड जस्ट हैड अ नॉर्मल डे एंड वी जस्ट कॉल्ड इट ऑफ दैट डे.
Yeah, and day 2 we were like very excited because Lavina ने ढूंढा था कि एक रेले बीच है which should not be missed.
Yeah.
We were initially not considering going there, what on and off the plans.
Because we were going to go to Emerald Pool. So that is the highlight of Krabi. Krabi में आपको थोड़ा बाहर सिटी में जाके एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा. So we were going to go to Emerald Pools, but we were not feeling up to the mark. इतना ट्रैवल करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. And it was quite far. We had to book cabs and all of that. So if you are in Krabi for more days, don't miss the Emerald Pools because हमने उसके बारे में बहुत से सुना. But we went to the Rainbow Beach.
So हम लिए long twin boat near Aonang Beach. You pay approximately 400 baht. We paid for both of us to and fro, right? So what fun ride रहती है. If they take you to the Railway Beach, there are different parts on the Railway Beach. There's Railway East, then West, and there is also a part which goes through the caves, which is Phra Nang side, right?
It's a secret beach.
Oh, it's a secret beach. So वहाँ पे हम गए and by chance वहाँ पे जब हम गए तो there was rock climbing happening. You get beautiful view of limestone cliffs and all that. So
to see the Blue Lagoon or something like that, नाम था Lagoon.
Right.
But इसके लिए आपको पूरा पहाड़ चढ़ना and you have to wear proper shoes and everything.
Yes.
So we skipped that, but many people were doing it just for the viewpoint. तो वो भी एक option है. Then आप नीचे आओ and then you can go to the Phra Nang side.
we enjoyed that, and then that's it. That's what we did in the daytime. Then we came back and then we changed and we came back for the fire show in the evening. That was happening right at Aonang Beach. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे fire teams हैं जो करते हैं.
Yeah.
So this was one of the shows. आप कहीं पे भी बैठ के, it is a free show. You don't have to pay anything. You can just sit, watch. Yeah, you can tip them because they were absolutely amazing. हमारे vlog में आपको देखने को मिलेगा कि वो उन्हें किस टाइप का एक glimpse देखने को मिलेगा कि उन्होंने क्या क्या किया. बहुत धमाकेदार शो था and there was like amazing good time. 1.5 hour का शो रहता है. And from there we then again explored the entire space. There was one famous restaurant which was Jungle Kitchen जहाँ पे हम बहुत amazing pad thai were.
Yes, we had pad thai noodles and we had mango sticky rice. It was amazing. So ये हम first day of Krabi गए थे. We wanted to go to the second day also, but Indian खाने का मन कर रहा था. So there was a hotel called as Bawarchi. तो वहाँ पे हमने एक वहाँ पे first time हमने risk लेके butter chicken order किया था, but it was very nice.
It was good. It was good. Like we enjoyed it. So that was the entire Krabi time that we had, and then it was time to go to Chiang Mai.
But before that, do you want to visit Krabi again?
Not really.
Not really. Same here. So Krabi was not really वापस जाने वाली जगह for us. It is all our perspective. आपका viewpoint and perspective definitely different हो सकता है. But एक बार तो आपको जाना ही चाहिए यहाँ पे. That is for sure. So chalo, now let's move on to the next one, which is Chiang Mai, which we took a flight from Krabi to Chiang Mai and we stayed there for 3 nights.
That was totally amazing, and like Lavina earlier told that it was the prime property. जहाँ पे टॉप से भी जब आप जाओगे तो आपको पूरा सिटी का व्यू भी दिखता है, इंफिनिटी पूल भी है. I mean, it is amazing. You get to socialize also. And पास में ही 7-Eleven था, ऑन क्या ही चाहिए वहाँ के टोस्टीज आर सुपर. So we used to like always have that. So from Chiang Mai, you can go to within Chiang Mai you can go to different places. So first day what we did.
So we first of all relaxed into our Airbnb. हमने आराम से हमारा सारा सामान सेटल किया, and then we went to the first place for food, which was the Reform Cafe. It's a vegan cafe and absolutely love it. हमने यहाँ पे 2 से 3 बार हम वापस गए थे because we wanted to eat veg and vegan के सहारे तो best है, right? So if you're getting vegan food, why not? So we went to Reform Cafe. We had good amount of food over there, and इसके बाद we visited this local temples. So Chiang Mai में ना basically बहुत सारे temples हैं. So there are like plenty of temples that you can visit. But why we didn't visit on the first day, you'll get to know very soon. But still हमने first day Wat Lok Muli. It's a I think 5,000 years old temple. हमने ये temple visit किया, and we offered even the water to the Lord Buddha, and we had a great pleasant spiritual time. And we also did like a wish with a coin on the pond and all of those things. So हमने वो किया, and then we just moved around, walking around the streets of Chiang Mai in our area basically. So Chiang Mai पे आप ज़्यादा भी मत expect करो. It's more of a village sort of a place, but yet modern, because modern side हम day 3 में हमने explore ज़रूर किया था उसको. But yeah, so the first day was very relaxed, and we were also doing like a workation in Chiang Mai. So we had a great time working at our Airbnb. So second day we did our traditional Thai photo shoot, so which Ashish will explain.
So जो photo shoot था, that was an amazing experience according to me, and it was literally like हमारा pre-wedding shoot हो रहा है, because हमने वो नहीं कराया था, तो it felt like that. As there was costume, nice makeup, they took good time to do everything, and then there was a car escorted by 2 gentlemen. One was the photographer and the videographer, and the other guy was just assisting. So it was an amazing experience all in all. That's what I would sum up to. If you are there, you should definitely try it out. कुछ unique experience आप करोगे, नहीं तो just walking through the place to anywhere you would do.
It's called Ban Urjao. Those people actually hosted us, and they invited us to experience this all together. And of course, it was a great experience. We are not just saying because they hosted us. बहुत अच्छा था, and photos भी बहुत अच्छी रही. Almost 200 के आसपास photos they provided us edited. So it was a great experience. So that was our day 2 का start.
And from there, we basically came back to our property, changed. Like she said, we had some work, so we did some work, and then again we head to the highlight, that is the night market.
I love night markets.
Don't tell me.
बहुत मजा आता है. You get to buy so many small things, souvenirs, बहुत सारी चीजें. So there are many night markets. Top 1 or 2 तो काफी 3 I think वहाँ पे थे, but हमारा favorite है Anusad Market, which was amazing. उसमें हमने कितनी सारी छोटी चीजें शॉपिंग की, जो आप हमारे थाईलैंड हॉल वीडियो पे भी देख सकते हो, which will pin it down in the description again. So we had a great time. उसके बाद हमने और भी 7-Eleven explore किया, and then we explored another place called as Watson's, जहाँ पे again you get a lot of it's like a grocery store, and you get a lot of skincare products and all of those things.
Yeah, you get all of that, and we bought some stuff from there. We always buy some small stuff. हमेशा एक अच्छा टिप है कि आप कोई भी जगह जाओ, स्पेशली इंडोनेशिया और wherever, like you get to Bali also we did that. Pick up something small, like we pick up perfumes. We both love perfumes, so वहाँ से कुछ ना कुछ हम एक स्किन केयर का प्रोडक्ट उठा देते हैं, which actually is very very good and you do not get this in India. And of course, like it's a good souvenir at the end of the day. There's also in the whole night market there's live music, which was being played, good food. Of course, if you are pure veg, or if you prefer eating pure veg like we did, then you will have some options or the other. There are smoothies, वो smoothies इतने बड़े होते हैं, वो अगर आप एक भी पी लोगे तो या totally आपका पेट भर जाएगा, which are like fresh and good quality. And yeah, that was I think the summary of day 2.
Then we start day 3 with the most awaited Dandewada waterfall, which is a man-made island and land of angels. Yeah, exactly. That was 10 on 10. You should definitely not miss this. So for this, you need to book a taxi. We hired a private taxi. हमने उनको पहले से booking कर दी थी. And then he took us around. So we went to 2 places. First one was Dantewada. Amazing. इसका भी dedicated video है Dantewada. And the second one was Sticky Waterfalls, right? So these 2 places you can combine together. It was too good. First वाला तो definitely 10 on 10 जा सकते हो. बहुत pretty है, बहुत सारे photos आप click कर सकते हो. You can spend some time. It's like a park, theme park, all sorts.
Yeah.
Okay, but उसके बाद हम गए थे Sticky Waterfall, which was just okay because
It was slippery. It was slippery water.
now में sticky है. It was slippery, but still मैंने guts करके और हिम्मत करके there are 3 levels, 3 or 4 levels कि आप कितना नीचे जाके देना आप वो stones के ऊपर climb कर सकते हो with a rope, and वो rope में भी सारा मतलब वो काई वाई जम गई थी basically. It was all fungus and not fungus but algae that. So it was not like that great, but ठीक है, just for experience हम चलेगा एक बार.
You can skip it,
Yeah, if
but
you don't
that's
have
much
time,
mandatory.
you can skip that as well. So ये था start of day 2, and then what did we do?
So then we came back to our hotel, of course, because हमें वापस hotel बोल रहा हूँ मैं, Airbnb, because हमें वापस change करना था. And in the evening, we again get to the main part of Chiang Mai, which is called as the Nimban area. Now in Nimban area, you have multiple segments. जैसे हमने first day night market किया था. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी night markets है. And there's also a Maya Wall, जो हमने visit किया, which was amazing. Like Ravina ने कुछ एक से भी करेंगी बात.
What's from I think Tony Moly ऐसा कुछ जगह का नाम तो याद नहीं आ रहा है. So I got nail polish, face mask, and all of those.
Even your two pings.
Yeah, I even got dresses and tops and all of that. थोड़े trendy and fashionable and high quality products होते हैं, of course, because it's a mall. But it was amazing. So first we explored the One Nimban area. उसमें बहुत सारे shops. Again, उसमें night markets है. So I got a lot of accessories, rings, earrings, all of those things. And then we went to the Maya Mall, and that was it. उसके बाद again we were like wanting to eat Indian food I remember, but मिल नहीं रहा कुछ.
ना कुछ great नहीं मिला.
जहाँ पे था, I forgot the name of it, but yeah, we had that, and then we just came back to our hotel, and then we were doing everything, and we were doing packing again because next then we moved to Bangkok.
So guys, अब हम आ गए हैं to the last city, that was Bangkok. अभी भी मुझे sad लगता है कि हम वापस वहाँ जाए थे और वहाँ पे वापस time spend करें, because it was again amazing. Like we totally enjoyed, even though it is a hardcore city, हमारा experience बहुत ही सही था. So day 1 की तरफ बढ़ते हैं, which is exploring Pratunam market, which is one of the main markets of Bangkok. वहाँ पे आपको बहुत कुछ खरीदने को मिलेगा. There's food also. There's South Indian food also. Whoever loves South Indian, there is amazing South Indian food that you can get. You get to shop. Of course, you need to bargain. You get to eat some local food also. Fruits, सब जगह मिलेंगे आपको. So that was our first hot spot that we covered. From there, where did we go?
We went to Icon Siam Mall, which was, oh my god, it is a luxury mall, and it was amazing. बहुत बड़ा mall है, and how to reach here? Very simple. You can either take a taxi and directly go to this mall, but because of Bangkok traffic, we decided to take metro. Yeah, so that was the most convenient, easy to reach and fastest also. तो हमने मेट्रो लिया एंड वी रीच्ड आइकॉन सियम मॉल. हमने आराम से हमारा टाइम स्पेंड किया एंड वी एक्सप्लोर्ड ईच एंड एवरी फ्लोर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर मॉल. एंड सबसे पहले आई थिंक वी वेंट टू द फ्लोटिंग मार्केट विच इज कॉल्ड द सियम सूक, विच मीन्स दैट इट इज लिटरली, इट लुक्स लाइक इट्स अ फ्लोटिंग फूड मार्केट. Now again, if you are hardcore non-vegetarians and if you don't mind eating that, it's the best place for you to visit. But हम जैसे लोगों के लिए it was good, nice vibe, but हमने still वहाँ पे local एक store से we took pad thai noodles. We tried to explore different जगह पे pad thai noodles because that is of course the famous thing of Thailand, right? So हमने वो किया and then we moved to many shops. We went to coffee shops. We explored different spots in the mall itself. And of course, एक बहुत famous चीज़ जो हमने खाई वो क्या थी?
Milk tea toast. That was amazing.
It was too good. It was
I did not expect that.
Thai tea फ्लेवर वाला बन बेसिकली वो एक पाव जैसा होता है बट उसमें पूरा इन्फ्यूज्ड थाई टी का फ्लेवर एंड वी लव थाई टी बाय द वे लाइक इट्स बिकम आवर फेवरेट अब तो वहाँ जाके ही मिलेगा बिकॉज वी ट्राइड इन इंडिया इट डज नॉट टेस्ट द सेम so yeah we ate that as well and then towards the end we also went for a fundic show but not just the fundic show हमने एक booking की थी with a place we forgot it's ground floor पे we ate their pizzas it was amazing and just आप pizza खा रहे हो and आपके सामने there was fundic show almost 30 minutes 25 minutes का वो fundic show होता है and there is a river also over there so cruises चलती हैं the vibe is really amazing and awesome
हमने और एक चीज़ की थी which was not expected but वो हो गई which is pop mart. ये तो मतलब I was actually like walking the people चाय and all के सब ये क्या करते हैं but eventually when I actually got what I wanted जब हमने भी ऐसे fun के लिए लिया we were not like serious yeah
we got many not dollar
not those they got minion but there you get all the patterns so if you are also someone like me just experience it once.
Yeah.
You will understand why the whole expression was, which you will see in our blog also, which is already up. So that was one of the unique experiences that we did there.
So that was day one of Bangkok. And then let's move on to day two, which was one of my favorites because it was my shopping day. Ashish ने मुझे promise किया था मुझे बहुत सारा shopping day आने वाला है. So we had an amazing time. But उसके पहले, before we shopped, we went for our hair spa. Both of us went for a 3-hour hair spa. It was called as Time to Sleep. And again, they hosted us. It's called Sirlib Hair Spa. ये basically city से थोड़ा सा दूर है. And only way to reach this place is via cab, right?
Yes.
So हम सुबह गए थे हमने कैब बुक की थी we booked an appointment of around 10 or 11 so ताकि हमारा जल्दी खत्म हो जाए so that we have the whole day to go shopping and Platinum Fashion Mall. Now this is a 6th floor mall but हमने क्या किया हमने trick लगाया how to explore this mall which you should also make a super note of it and आप इसको follow कर सकते हो. The last floor is of course food court. We were like super sorted with our stomach. हमने खा चुके थे हम कुछ उसके पहले तो हमने up to down travel किया basically सारा explore करना down to up नहीं. So it was amazing. We got so many things. Even Ashish could get some things but majorly if you're a girl yeah very less but if you're a girl woman किड के लिए भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें मिलती है. अगेन वॉच माई शॉपिंग हॉल आपको सारी चीज़ें मैंने सेपरेट ब्लॉग बनाया है टू एक्सप्लेन कि मैंने कौन सी चीज़ें कहाँ से कितने की ली है एवरीथिंग.
Right, and of course जो जिन्होंने भी बोला था कि बहुत सारा बार्गेन होता है बहुत सारा तो बार्गेन नहीं हुआ था honestly ना very few people actually थोड़ा बहुत बात कम कर दिया and that's it but you will find some valuable stuff there for sure and the quality is also very good I must say and we did not realize that ये सिर्फ एक part नहीं है there is zone 2 also which is
about
travel and all of that and उसके और एक बाजू में और एक स्टोर था which was December's which apparently Ravina had told you बहुत famous है वो brand December's का भी कुछ 3-4 floors था
Yeah.
right so coming to that we will come to that also later but Platinum Mall के अंदर हमने पूरा time spend किया
and then we
had a great time
again a super famous night market in Bangkok which is called as Asiatic Night Market. बहुत सारी markets होती है but ये वाला top पे आ रहा था Google पे and ChatGPT research पे and all of that. So we went here. It was again very pleasant, very nice. And how to go here is via ferry. Like local boats होती है. It's very cheap also. I think 20-30 baht या 50 baht के आसपास.
you have to reach but to a point from metro itself because if you're staying at Inns I'm talking about that metro से आप एक point to reach करो and then from there you take a ferry which will directly it is I think free ferry to
Central. It was free ferry. My bad. I said 2021. It was free ferry. They take you there. So metro से आप वहाँ तक चले जाओ and then you take the free ferry. Of course वहाँ पे भी हमने काफ़ी enjoy किया. We stayed there till quite late. And then last ferry around 11:30, 12, 11:30 की 11 को चलती है. So we like got on that, hopped on that and then we came back to our hotel and that was the end of Bangkok. But हम लोग end of the trip तक घूमते एंड कुछ ना कुछ करते रहते हैं. So we had to leave our hotel say around 2 o'clock. So we had the whole morning and sort of afternoon. तो हम जल्दी से उठे and then we went to December's. So हमने वहाँ पे वापस बहुत सारी शॉपिंग की. We also went to the zone 2 of Platinum Fashion Mall जहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारे sheet masks and mango candies and all of those वो सारी चीज़ें खरीदी. And of course we again visited a little bit of Pratunam Market and then we were back to our hotel. So that was the Bangkok day 3. आज day 3 नहीं है, मतलब 2 ही दिन थे अब बैंकॉक में एंड आज हम जा रहे हैं वापस बेसिकली मुंबई. So here's our budget breakup for a couple. Stays we spent around 65,000, flights 70,000, local transport around 17,000, and food around 25,000. Shopping and miscellaneous we spent around 30,000, and attractions we spent around 13,000, and our grand total was 2,20,000 rupees. So guys, this was our detailed itinerary for 10 days Thailand trip. We hope that you guys enjoyed watching this and you got a lot of information. एंड आपको ज़रूर इस वीडियो ने हेल्प किया होगा कि आपको किस तरीके से कहाँ कैसे क्या करना चाहिए. अगर आपको स्टिल कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज़ हमें कमेंट्स करिए एंड हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में आप पूछ सकते हैं. वी विल बी मोर देन हैप्पी टू हेल्प ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू.
एंड अब ऐसे ही और भी ट्रिप्स जाते रहेंगे तो हम इस टाइप के वीडियोस और भी बनाते रहेंगे. डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू रवीना आशीष व्लॉग्स. डोंट फॉरगेट टू डू दैट. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो ने हेल्प किया है तो प्लीज़ डू शेयर अक्रॉस एवरीवेयर एल्स सो दैट कोई ना कोई थाईलैंड जो भी जा रहा है हम श्योर कहीं ना कोई जा ही रहा होगा उनको भी हेल्प हो जाएगी और हमें भी हेल्प हो जाएगी और हमें आपको मोटिवेशन भी मिल जाएगा जो हमें मोटिवेट करेगा कि हम और अच्छा करते रहें.
So thank you so much for watching. We love you guys and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Happy traveling.